Hey guys, welcome back to Hustler's Algorithm. Today in this video, we would be solving this problem, maximum depth of binary tree. So we are given a binary tree and we have to find its maximum depth. So let's go to our sketchpad. So for this tree, the maximum depth is 3 first for this level, then 2 till this level, then 3 till this level. So what we can do is we can just traverse this tree level by level using BFS and just add the depth. Like for here it will be +1, and here it will be +1, here it will be +1, so the total depth will be 3. Okay, so we got our answer, but can we do something better? Let's see. Now let's consider a smaller example. Let's say we have just one node, so the depth of this tree will be 1. Okay, now for these two nodes, the depth of the tree will be 1 for this node, and the maximum height among the left part or the right part. So the left part, the maximum height is 0, and the right part, the maximum height is 1. So by height we mean depth here. Okay, so the total height for this node will be 1 plus 1 because 1, and the right height, which will be 1 plus 1, which will be 2. Okay, so let's apply this principle to our problem. Now let's start from the root node. So let's consider the height will be 1 for this node, and now let's get the height from the left part and the right part and consider the maximum one. So let's go to the right part. So let's go to the left part. So here it will be 1 plus the maximum height from the left part or the right part. As the left and right height is 0, we'll just return 1. Okay, now for 3 we have 1, which will be the current level height, plus the height of the left part will be 1, so the total height is 2, right? Now for the right part, we have the height 1 for 3, then for 20 the height will be 1 plus the maximum height among the left part or the right part. Let's go to the left part. Now here it will be +1, and as the left and right height is 0, we'll just return 1 from here. Okay, so at 20 we have 1 plus 1, which will be the height 2, considering we have visited only left part. Now let's go to right part. Here the height will be +1, and the left and right height is 0, so we'll just return this one. So now till this point we have again the height as 1 plus 1, which will be 2 for this right part. So now for 20, which is this part, we have the height as 2, right? So we'll just return the height 2, and for 3 we'll calculate the height for the right part as 1, and the height of the right part will be 2, so the maximum height here will be 3, right? So we can just do this to get our height. So let's code it down. First, if the root is just null, then just return the height as 0. Okay, now just calculate the left height. Now calculate the right height. So now we have the left and the right height, right? So we'll just take the maximum among it. Now we have the maximum among the left height and the right height, and we'll add 1 for this current level, right? So we'll add 1. So the height will be maximum among this and this, which will be 2 from here, and 1 for this current node. So the maximum height of the tree will be 3. So let's run it. So yeah, it is running fine. So let's submit it and see if it gets accepted. So yeah, it gets accepted. So our answer is correct. So just subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and thank you.